In this chapter, I'll show you a few advancements to the Select and Mask workspace. And along the way, we're going to take this guy, once again from the Dreamstime image library, and mask him against this background in order to create this final effect. Now, you might look at this image and say, wait a sec, we have yet another model set against a bluish background. So why not go to the Edit menu and choose Sky Replacement? And that does work to an extent, as I'm about to show you, but it doesn't work as well as Select and Mask. And so just for the sake of demonstration, I'll choose the Sky Replacement command, and then I'll click on this sky thumbnail right here. I'll go ahead and scroll all the way down to my Dreamstime skies, and I'll add one more by clicking on a little plus icon, and I'll load this guy, Sky 5, and I'll click on the open button. At which point Photoshop will ask me to name this guy. It's fine as is, so I'll just go ahead and load it up. And notice that things look pretty darn good, especially given that I've put so little time into this process. But we do have an awful lot of haloing around the hair, especially inside the guy's beard and around his neck. At which point, I'll go ahead and accept what I'm seeing by clicking OK. Now, you might figure now you could go ahead and click on the layer mask thumbnail for this sky layer right here, and then go up to the Select menu and choose Select and Mask in order to bring up the Select and Mask workspace, which is the subject of this chapter. But notice, if I switch to On Layers, let's say, and then I brush around this guy's hair in order to refine it, that nothing changes. And that's because I'm working on the mask for the sky layer. That means that the Select and Mask workspace cannot see this guy's hair. And so what we need to do is cancel out and take a brand new approach, as I'll demonstrate starting in the next movie.